Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Essentials. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto security evolving rapidly, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is one of the smartest moves you can make to protect your investments. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step guide will get you through it quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. Plug it into your computer, unlock it with your PIN, and open the Ethereum app on the device. This is your first line of defense against online threats. Next, head over to your Coinbase account. Log in securely and navigate to your dashboard. Find your Ethereum balance and select it to start the withdrawal process. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra security. Now, for the crucial step. Get your Ethereum address from the Ledger. In the Ethereum app on your Ledger, use the On-Device menu to generate and display your unique address. Write it down or copy it carefully. Double-check for any typos because blockchain transactions are irreversible. Back on Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, paste in that Ledger address, and review the details. Add a note if needed, but keep it simple. Hit Confirm, and Coinbase will process your request. Once submitted, the transaction will go through the Ethereum network. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network fees and congestion. Keep an eye on your email or Coinbase notifications for updates. Finally, once it's complete, verify the transfer on your Ledger Nano X by checking your Ethereum balance in the app. Congrats! You've successfully secured your Ethereum. If you run into any issues, Ledger's support is fantastic. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying informed is key in the crypto world. Like and subscribe for more tips, and see you next time.